Hey, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of pasta. Get your forks ready, folks, because we're about to uncover the top secrets of pasta production that they don't want you to know. We're talking insider information, folks, stuff that'll make you the most popular guest at your next dinner party. We'll be separating fact from fiction, myth from reality, and hopefully we'll all learn something new along the way. So buckle up, grab your favorite pasta dish. I'm partial to a little spaghetti and meatballs myself. And let's get this pasta party started. Okay, pasta lovers, let's get down to business. We're talking about the secret ingredient, the magic touch, the thing that elevates pasta from good to, oh my gosh, I need to lick the plate. Good. You ready for this? You sure? Okay, here it is. Love. That's right, folks. The real secret ingredient is love. Just kidding, it's salt. But wouldn't it be nice if it was love? Seriously though, the right amount of salt in your pasta water is key. It's like the difference between a limp handshake and a firm, confident one. You want your pasta to have character, to stand up for itself, and that's where salt comes in. Now, I'm not talking about turning your pasta water into the Dead Sea here. Just a generous pinch or two will do the trick. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So you think you know your penne from your rigatoni, your farfalla from your fusilli? Well, hold on to your hats, folks, because the origin of pasta shapes is way more interesting than you might think. Forget everything you thought you knew about Italian grandmothers lovingly crafting each shape by hand. Nope. The truth is way more practical. You see, many pasta shapes were actually inspired by tools and objects from everyday life. Take rigatoni, for example, that hollow tube shape inspired by drain pipes, and those cute little bow ties, farfalle, they were modeled after, get this, butterfly wings. Who knew, right? All right, my culinary comrades, let's talk water temperature. This is where things get steamy, literally. Now, you might think boiling water is boiling water, right? Wrong. When it comes to pasta, water temperature is like finding the perfect dance partner. It needs to be just right. Too cold and your pasta will be a soggy, sticky mess. Too hot and you risk overcooking it, leaving you with mushy disappointment. The sweet spot, a rolling boil, my friends. That's when the water is bubbling furiously and ready to embrace your pasta with open arms, or should I say, open bubbles. Let's be honest, nobody likes mushy pasta. We want that al dente perfection, that satisfying bite that says, I'm cooked just right. So how do we achieve this elusive texture? It's all about timing, my friends, and a little trick I like to call the pasta texture two-step. Step one, follow the package directions. I know, groundbreaking, right? But seriously, those instructions are there for a reason. Step two, about 2 minutes before the suggested cooking time, grab yourself a pasta shell and give it a taste test. Is it firm to the bite but not crunchy? You're good to go. Hold on to your colanders, pasta pals, because we're about to uncover the truth about the pasta drying process. You might picture giant ovens or high-tech machines, but the reality is much simpler and, surprisingly, low-tech. After all the magic of mixing, shaping and cooking, the pasta is laid out on, wait for it, drying racks. That's right, good old-fashioned racks, often made of wood, where the pasta can air dry naturally. This drying process is crucial for developing the pasta's texture and ensuring it doesn't turn into a sticky mess. It's like giving the pasta a chance to breathe before it takes a dip in your boiling water. And there you have it, pasta peeps, the top secrets of pasta production revealed. I hope you learned something new, had a few laughs, and maybe even worked up an appetite. If you enjoyed this pasta-tastic adventure, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more food-tastic fun, and leave a comment below with your favorite pasta dish. Next time, we'll be diving into the mysterious world of chocolate chip cookies. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind those perfectly gooey centers and crispy edges. Until then, stay hungry, my friends.